Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Future Career. So today here given the question is you are given the following information of an economy. C equals to 100 plus 0.8y, I equals to Rs 50 crore. Find A. Equilibrium level of income, B. Level of saving in equilibrium, C. If investment increase 100, what will be the effect on equilibrium level of income, and D. What is the value of multiplier. So solution of A. Now here we have to find equilibrium level of income. So at equilibrium, so aggregate demand equals to C plus I, and at equilibrium Y equals to AD, income equals to aggregate demand. So Y is equals to C plus I from here. So Y equals to, here we have given value of C 100 plus 0.8y, 100 plus 0.8y plus I Rs 50 crore. So Y is equals to 150 plus 0.8y, which is equals to Y minus 0.8y equals to 150, or 0.2y equals to 150, which is equals to, so Y equals to 150 upon 0.2, which is equals to 750. So the equilibrium level at equilibrium income equals to Y equals to 750 crore. Now next B is level of saving in equilibrium. So B, as we know that income is equals to consumption plus saving, means Y equals to C plus S, or S equals to Y minus C. So S equals to Y, the value of Y is 750, so 750 minus C equals to 100 plus 0.8y, 100 plus 0.8y. So S equals to 750 minus 100 minus 0.8 into Y is equals to 750. So S equals to 650 minus 0.8 into 750, which is equals to 600. So 600. So S is equals to 50. So level of saving in equilibrium, so S equals to 50. Question C is if investment increases 100, what will be the effect on equilibrium level of income? So solution of question number C. So original I is equals to 50 and new I is equals to 100. So change in I is equals to 50. So now we have to find delta Y, change in income. So as we know that Y K is equals to, multiplier equals to 1 upon 1 minus MPC, and MPC is equals to 0.8, because C equals to 100 plus 0.8y. So MPC equals to 0.8, which is equals to change in Y upon change in I. So 1 upon 1 minus 0.8 is equals to delta Y upon change in I equals to 50. So 1 upon 0.2 is equals to change in Y upon 50. So change in Y is equals to 250. Hence equilibrium level of income will increase by 250. Now question number D is what is the value of multiplier. So K multiplier is equals to 1 upon 1 minus MPC, marginal propensity to consume. So 1 upon 1 minus 0.8, which is equals to 1 upon 0.2 equals to 5. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand the solution of this question. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.